Welcome back to eMobility Trends, your channel for the latest breakthroughs in electric mobility and the future of personal transportation. Today, we're diving into a historic milestone. The Jetson ONE has just completed the world's first freestyle flight by a single-seat eVTOL. The Jetson ONE is a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, also known as an eVTOL, developed by a Swedish company. It features a lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber frame and is powered by 8 electric motors driving 8 propellers. And here's the best part. You don't even need a pilot's license to fly it. Jetson's vision is to make safe, personal electric aircraft accessible to everyone. This freestyle flight was a world-first achievement for a single-seat eVTOL. The Jetson ONE performed complex, high-speed maneuvers, sharp turns, quick responses, and precision moves, proving its incredible agility and control. It's like a Formula One racing car for the sky, merging the thrill of motorsports with cutting-edge aviation technology. Despite its high performance, the Jetson ONE is designed for simplicity and safety. You can fly it with an intuitive joystick and throttle. It includes a race car-style safety cell to protect the pilot, and it can even fly if one motor fails. It has hands-free hover mode, radar sensors for automated landings, and a ballistic parachute for emergencies. The Jetson ONE's freestyle flight marks a new era for personal aerial mobility, where anyone could someday fly their own electric aircraft. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of flight, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss what's next in electric mobility. This is eMobility Trends, your front row seat to the future.